So I heard we're doing something stupid today. No, what? No, I understand that this is dumb, but why are we doing this? No, but this is my channel. Why do I have to listen to you? Do I have to get over there? Yeah, shut up. Okay, guys, we're doing something pretty stupid because, someone must have opened their mouth. We're dumb. Yes, very dumb. So, Smite versus Ballistic. I put the OG Quake on War because why not, and Ballistic is stock combo. To my surprise, War weighs 1 gram more than Ballistic does, so they're about the same weight. No real big weight difference. And because I'm scared of breakages, I even printed out a second Ballistic switch frame piece. So yeah, I don't even know if we'll go first to 7, to be honest. We'll try first to 7. The Demolisher versus the Supremacy. I don't know what I'm talking! That is exactly why I printed a second part. We can attempt to use this piece still until it's a completely fatal break. But War Smite, nothing's been able to live up to its potential so far. Come on, Ballistic. Oh! You're mean. Score is 2-0. We got the repaired frame on, so yeah. Or switch frame, I should say. Oh god! Oh my god. You already took a chunk out of it. 3-0. Jesus. I may just friggin' remake this, but fix it a little bit more so it's fair, and so it's a little bit broken again, if you know what I'm saying, in the overpowered range, of course. Please don't break my bay. Ah, God! There goes another flake. Although this Smite looks the coolest of any Smite I've ever made, doesn't hold up the best. Whereas War, I made a monster with this. 4-0. Come on. There's no weight difference. It's just raw striking power. Speed up Ballistic. Oh god, this is not going to end well. Ballistic's breaking still. 5-0. Who knew War on Quake, Blitz Quake would be so good? Jesus. Okay, that was kind of funny. I mean, Ballistic's kind of holding up. He's chipping away. 6-0. That just shows War's overwhelming power. Like, I am quite confident the only Bay that can truly beat War Smite is Demon King Shatter. That we've seen to this day so far. Now, of course, Daimyo Samurais and Inferno Backlash can probably annihilate it, but you know what? We'll never know. Jesus. Look out! Oh! Well, this switch frame got torn to shreds. Whereas War is perfectly fine. Shocker. Huh. Well, that's it. Which one of the two strongest Smites is the best? Well, we have our answer, folks. War Smite is still, to this day, the strongest adaptation of Smite. The second strongest being Ballistic. Well, all I need to really do is think like I did with War Smite, and then give it the fair properties of Ballistic. That thing would be insane. Anyways, though, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to. This gave me a heart attack and a half. And, yeah, went about as much as I expected it to go. Just nothing can compare to War Smite's complete and utter destructive power. And that's saying something. War Smite, it doesn't win too often against its strongest opponents, but let me tell you, it puts up the most vicious fights you could ever watch. And hey, I guess he's back now until I get a new altered version of this to make the next version of Smite. So, yeah. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.